कुछ लोग ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं कि मैं ना मेरे डॉग्स पे ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट करता हूँ ह्यूमन से भी ज़्यादा।
वो कोई जजमेंट नहीं लेके आते, लव और लॉयल्टी लेके आते हैं।
एक इंसान का और एक डॉग का बॉन्ड कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ था?
30,000 साल पहले से ये बॉन्ड शुरू हुआ। तो जो थोड़े फ्रेंडली वुल्व्स थे, दे सेड अच्छा ह्यूमंस आर नॉट सो स्कैरी, थोड़ा खाना वाना मिल जाते हैं। एंड ह्यूमन सेड अरे दिस कुड बी गुड, अगर कोई थ्रेट है तो मुझे पता चल जाता है।
मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट डॉग
इंडीज। To navigate our Indian roads is not a joke. कौन अच्छा है, कौन डरा हुआ है, कौन हमसे दोस्ती कर सकता है, एक सेकंड नहीं लगता।
आज के एपिसोड में हमारी गेस्ट है राशि नारंग, फाउंडर एंड सीईओ ऑफ हेड्स अप फॉर टेल, इंडियाज लीडिंग पेट केयर ब्रांड। आज हमने उनसे जाना स्मॉल अपार्टमेंट्स एंड बिग हाउसेस के लिए कौन से ब्रीड सही है, क्यों इतने पेट्स को अबैंडन कर दिया जाता है और कैट मार्केट इतनी स्पीड से क्यों ग्रो कर रहा है। Are there signs dogs कुछ इस तरह बताते हैं कि हम सैड हैं?
बिल्कुल। जो बहुत मुश्किल होता है समझने में है इज पेन।
How do they process loss?
They may not eat, they'll be really a little bit low, they may stay with the belongings of that person. They definitely grieve.
Pets ना humans की anxiety और depression पहले ही डिटेक्ट कर लेते हैं than even humans. Is it true or no?
I think it's true. And up to there's even instances where they have been able to detect cancer in human beings.
Dog रात को ना बहुत रोते हैं, हाउल करते हैं, वो क्यों करते हैं ये सब? आगे बढ़ने से पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए इसी तरह से और इंसाइटफुल और बेहतर पॉडकास्ट बनाते रहें। एंड इस पूरे शो का ऑडियो एक्सपीरियंस स्पॉटिफाई पे अवेलेबल है, जहाँ पे आप हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं। एंजॉय द शो। ओके, टेल मी, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हिस्ट्री एंड ओरिजिन अ लिटिल बिट। ओके,
राइट।
ह्यूमंस लाइक एक इंसान का और एक डॉग का बॉन्ड कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ था?
गुड क्वेश्चन। 20 या 30,000 साल पहले से ये बॉन्ड शुरू हुआ। ग्रे वुल्व्स से डॉग्स बने हैं, दैट्स द एंसेस्टर। बट क्या था कि जब हमारे अर्ली ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट्स थे तो जो थोड़े फ्रेंडली वुल्व्स थे, they would approach those settlement sites, not the very aggressive ones or the very fearful ones. जो थोड़े friendly थे, they said अच्छा humans are not so scary. थोड़ा खाना वाना scraps मिल जाते हैं, leftovers, थोड़ी आग की सेक से थोड़ा सा warmth मिल जाता है, all that. And humans said अरे ये तो this could be good, मुझे अगर कोई threat है तो मुझे पता चल जाता है। They help with hunting, they really can be helpful for us. And that's how that bond actually started. And फिर humans ने selectively breed किया कि अच्छा ये काफ़ी sweet वाला है, ये काफ़ी loyal वाला wolf है, ये काफ़ी and selectively through generations we created different breeds to serve our purpose.
Because हम breeds के बारे में बात करें, most lethal dogs in terms of strength.
अरे राज, must you ask me such difficult questions?
Why not? I'll tell you. Okay, so my American pit bull, okay, this guy was, तो हम उसके साथ मस्ती करते थे because we were like बहुत को mentally stimulate करते थे. My brother used to take him to forest for hunting, and there was this activity we would do जहाँ पे हम लोग एक छोटी कार न्यूट्रल पे डालते थे, and then he used to
oh my god,
and he used to love it. वो उसका favorite sport था कि मुझे body harness बांध दो, and then कार एक hill पे रहो, and then I'll just
god,
and I'll do.
But that's dangerous.
But he would love it. So
no, they're
in
very
terms
strong.
of strength, like उसके पूरा से muscle, like I'll show you the picture.
They are strong, very strong,
very strong, lethal muscles.
Yes.
And then इतना बड़ा jaw. और फिर वो हमारे साथ हो जाता like a baby.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
So बहुत ही lethal था.
Yeah. No, of course, some of these dogs are bred for strength. That was the purpose. But now it's not relevant anymore.
But still, which dog would you say is most strength?
All of these, Rottweilers, Pit Bulls, all of them have
most intelligent
strength.
dog.
Indies. I'm biased. I mean, listen, Raj, to navigate our Indian roads is not a joke.
Yeah.
It is not a joke.
हम नहीं कर सकते.
They are able to catch on to कौन अच्छा है, कौन डरा हुआ है, कौन हमसे दोस्ती कर सकता है। एक सेकंड में if I catch a dog's eye, they'll know that I am somebody who's you know, who likes them, they'll come up to me wagging. एक second नहीं लगता, you know, just to say hi. They read your body expressions. They know कौन से चाय वाले पे जाके हमको कोई खाना दे देगा. You know, I don't know how they, I mean, today just imagine if you and I were dogs, where would we even drink water? Like, where would we find anything that we need for survival? And yet they're surviving, you know, and they're, some of them have a great time. Some of them have lots of people to look after them. और ये बात मुझे बहुत fascinating लगती है कि they don't belong to anyone, और फिर भी उनके इतने सारे अपने हैं जो उनका ख्याल रखते हैं. You know, इतने सारे फीडर्स हम जानते हैं, इतने सारे लोग जो सोएंगे नहीं रात तक, मतलब या तो 12 बजे लेट नाइट फीडिंग्स करेंगे ताकि उनको दूसरों से हरासमेंट ना हो, या 4 बजे जाके सुबह 4-5 बजे जाके उनको खाना खिलाएंगे. मतलब देयर एबिलिटी टू अडैप्ट. उनको चोट लगती है, हर कोई उनको पत्थर मार रहा होता है. यू विल सी सो मेनी ऑफ देम 3 पैर पे लंगड़ा रहे हैं, बट they're managing. I think that they're amazingly resilient, adaptable. They're great for our country, our climate, and they're massively intelligent. And I think that they deserve a spot to be equally considered as any other breed. It's not fair that our own dogs, as Indians, we're shunning or making second class. Not fair.
Yes. Now Indies are growing. People have started adopting a lot of dogs from roads.
Yes.
Which is a great thing.
Absolutely.
Okay. Most misunderstood breed.
Oh, wow. I would say again, it's pit bulls, Rottweilers, all of these where there is so much media sensationalization. But if you are able to, as a pet parent, help them be calm, help them understand and see the good of the world, of people, why would they become dangerous? Any dog becomes aggressive when they are misunderstood. They are trying to communicate with us और हम उनकी बात समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. Every dog gives many signs before they ever bite or attack. हम उनकी बात समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, या हम उनको उन signs भी देने के लिए गुस्सा कर रहे हैं. Like a growl. When a dog growls, it is called a distance creating signal. माने कि प्लीज़ मुझे थोड़ी जगह दे दो. I need space. जो आप कर रहे हो उससे मुझे threaten feel हो रहा है, मुझे डर लग रहा है, मुझे, या मैं uncomfortable हूँ. Even a small dog, children just pick them up, they'll squash them, all kinds of things in the name of love and play. But a dog may be like, I don't like this and I want, and जब वो उनके पास कोई और ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, पहले तो वो बहुत सारे calming signals देते हैं, फिर वो distance creating signal देते हैं कि थोड़ा मुझे space दो. अगर हम उनको डांटें तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वो बार बार डांटे ग्राउल करने के लिए, या कोई लोग और भी मतलब मारते भी हैं, कि ऐसे कैसे मेरे ऊपर ग्राउल कर रहा है. बट ग्राउल इज अ साइन ऑफ, इट्स अ रिस्पेक्ट कि मैं आपको काटूँ ना. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम आपने उसको 5 बारी पनिश किया फॉर ग्राउलिंग, नेक्स्ट टाइम ही विल बाइट, राइट. तो वो तो बोल रहा है मुझे ये जो आप कर रहे हो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. हमने कभी समझने के लिए स्लो डाउन ही नहीं किया, तो और हमने उसी सिग्नल को पनिश किया.
इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, व्हाट आर द साइंस? आप बोले थे बहुत सारे नॉन वर्बल साइंस होते हैं, बहुत सारे वर्बल साइंस होते हैं,
राइट.
सो क्या साइन होते हैं जिससे पता चलता है कि डॉग हैप्पी है?
हैप्पी, यू हैव टू सी द होल बॉडी. जैसे कि ears are relaxed, not alert, not scared. Eyes are relaxed, if you're seeing side eye, veil eye, मतलब eyes के white दिख रहा है, that means they're a little bit scared. Is the body stiff? Is the tail wagging? Relaxed. I mean, even if they're happy to see you in that moment. So you have to see, and honestly, if you tune in, पता लग जाएगा. I mean, yes, I'm sharing all of this with you, but if any of us were to just be present in that moment, you can tell that the dog is on high alert, is stressed, is anxious. But what they do is when they get stressed and anxious, they give something called calming signals to us. So there is this lady from Norway, I think from Norway, her name is Turid Rugas. She actually documented everyday signs that we don't understand into as calming signals.
Okay, क्या होते हैं?
तो she just mentioned कि ये signals जो dogs देते हैं is for us to calm down or to say that listen, I'm not liking it. जैसे कि lip licking. You know, when a dog just licks their lips and it's not right after a meal or something, it's a sign of stress. Today you go home and put, for example, if I put my phone right in front of Poppins' face, she will turn her head turning. Like, I don't like this, you know, or like, this is threatening me. If you hug a dog, you know, they will freeze many times. Because it's like, okay, calm down, please. You know, unko to samajh nahi aati hugs. That's not anything in the animal kingdom. You know, that level. I mean, we express affection like that, and they have learned to tolerate us or to accept that this is what we do.
Yeah.
But you will find a little bit of stiffness. You will find, you know, if a dog is looking at you from the side of their eye with the whites showing, veil eye bolte hain, that's a calming signal. If a dog is submissive, turns for a belly rub, that also, of course, you have to see the whole picture in general, but that's also a sign to say, I'm not a threat, I'm okay, don't worry. You know, then approaching each other in a curve, it's actually beautiful. आप देखना, उस दिन मैं देख रही थी peacock दूसरे peacock के पास जा रही थी, but they approach always in a curve, never head on. Because if I was to walk to you head on, that is intimidating. It is threatening if somebody walks just straight head on. So in the animal world, they always go in a curve. अच्छा, कभी पैर lift कर लिया, that's a calming signal. Suddenly, you know, I saw somebody getting angry at their dog. They just started sniffing the ground. They want to divert the behavior. You know, that's a calming signal. So they are always talking to us. And like I said, there are these calming signals. I'm not liking this. I'm stressed. Or I'm no threat. Don't worry. You know, it's also that way. And then there are the distance creating signals, like I mentioned, which is your growling, your snarling. Snarling is also like daant dikhaye, you know, but kaata nahi. That's also being like, now don't kaat sakta hu. But humne kya kiya? No, bad doggy, you know, yeah, whatever. Next time he'll bite, you know, because like, and it always comes from a space of fear, not feeling safe, not feeling, you know, comforted enough or threatened, just like it does for humans. And what do you think? I know this is all controversial, and I know that my beliefs are probably not very conventional. But Raj, if you are really upset or angry, do you think I should punish you for it? Or do you think you need a real hug at that time? Like, you know, like, can we lead this relationship with love versus punishment? Can we lead with understanding versus fear? Can we lead with letting them feel कि हम उनके लोग हैं, या you can trust me, I will be your champion, versus making them feel intimidated, threatened, not understood, you know, अब तुम बांध के रखो. How frustrating that must be. छोटे छोटे बालकनियों में लोग 10-12 घंटे डॉग्स को रखते हैं. How frustrated they must be. Obviously they will be destructive. Like, what do I do? I am bored out of my mind. I have nothing to do. I am hot. You know, like, there's so much that we need to change.
Dogs को punish नहीं करना चाहिए.
I mean, it's very much like a parent and child. You know, I am the master. You are the dog. I am the parent. You are the child. Right? We do have to parent. Yes, we do have to teach our children the right thing, which is why you gently train. You let them know what is accepted, what is not, what do you like, what do you not. If your dog is, you know, when they're puppies and they're teething, should you slap them, hit them, hurt them, tie them, or can you just walk away? Your dog in 1 second will know, you know what, if I do this, my human is, I've lost, they're not there. You can come back in a few minutes, but you know, there are so many ways of doing that. But I don't believe that hurting, like disciplining by hurting, disciplining by using fear, intimidation, threat, can ever actually lead to a relationship of love and trust. It बाहर से लग सकता है.
ठीक एग्जांपल अंदर से नहीं. एग्जांपल तो मान लो घर में सुसु करता है डॉग. अब लोग जैसे वो सुसु करता है वहाँ पे ऐसे पेपर रोल लेते हैं और उसको मार देते हैं कि क्या है ये, क्या बदतमीजी है, व्हाट इज दिस, शुड यू डू इट और नो?
एब्सोल्युटली नॉट.
क्यों ऐसे? फिर उसका बिहेवियर कैसे ठीक करेंगे?
तो आप सोचो कि एक बच्चा है, दे आर नॉट ट्रेन्ड येट, राइट? अब दे डू नॉट नो दैट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल there is a bladder issue. If you need to go, you need to go. The human should be hitting that paper on themselves कि मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि मैं उसको मुझे बाहर ले जाना था, firstly. Secondly, every time that they are performing a very natural function, आप उसको reprimand कर रहे हो. Imagine the association that they create कि ये मैं अपनी natural body function create करता हूँ तो मुझे मार पड़ती है. It can lead to so much like trauma and behavioral issues. Instead, literally you should be hitting yourself, being like, shh, I need to learn that every hour as a puppy, I need to take him out or her out to a surface which is okay. It could be your garden, balcony, whatever that may be, right? And then if an accident happens, then and very quickly dogs learn. They learn that this is my surface. If you're teaching them balcony, terrace, they learn very fast. But if an accident happens, how can you do that for a body function?
But किसी की आदत बन जाती है ना dogs की घर में करने की.
It's on the human. It's never on the dog.
क्यों?
क्योंकि आपने उसको ठीक से समझा ही नहीं पाए.
मान लो आप घर में 3 बार उसको वॉक कराने ले जाते हो और उसके बाद भी वो घर में करते.
Do you only ever go to the washroom 3 times in a day as a human being? And 3 times, most people walk that day only twice. And the dogs are holding for hours, Raj. Not okay. Accidents can happen.
But वो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि dogs अभी वॉक करके आए, सुसु करके आए, then घर पे आए, 15 मिनट खेलेंगे, then they'll do it again.
That's not typical. That could be, signs of something else. It could be an infection. It could be them trying to mark territory. It could be many, many things. That's not typical at all. तो हो सकता है there is some underlying issue.
Yeah. But बाकी सब humans की गलती है.
Yes, 100%. But instead of punishing and beating and yelling and no all day, we need to do it differently. कि वो एक प्यार का, एक ट्रस्ट का रिलेशनशिप हो, एक इक्वालिटी का. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता जब बोलते हैं that when people think that they are superior to their dogs. If you look at training around the world, it's all about मैं मास्टर हूँ, उसको ऐसे सिखाओ. कोई भी रिलेशनशिप ऐसे, it's always, relationship है, but can it actually thrive? Like you have to see yourself, you have to go over the transactions into pure love. I don't know. That's my belief. I know it won't sit with everyone.
The amount of times you have said love in this podcast.
That's their whole energy.
Are there signs dogs कुछ इस तरह बताते हैं कि हम sad हैं?
Dogs बताते हैं.
कुछ signs देते हैं कि वो dog sad है, dog depressed है.
बिल्कुल, you will see in their normal energy, थोड़ा सा they'll be maybe slow, थोड़े से शायद खाना नहीं खाए. Some can have, even like with us, when you are very stressed, you will also have things like extra hair fall and all. There could be, physical manifestations. पता है राज, I think it's still easy to see कि अच्छा वो sad है. जो बहुत मुश्किल होता है देखने में और समझने में है is pain. Because in the wild, if an animal shows signs of pain, they are considered weak. Predators के लिए वो सबसे पहले prey बन जाते हैं. तो dogs do not easily show signs of pain, और वो तभी दिखाते हैं कि जब it's towards like the most extreme. तो it's also important to see is your dog in pain.
तो कैसे पता चलेगा जब वो बता ही नहीं रहे तो?
वही तो छोटे छोटे साइंस होते हैं. अगेन यू हैव टू सी कि वो चल कैसे रहे हैं, क्या उठने में बैठने में थोड़ा सा भी चेंज है, कि अच्छा थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लग रहा है, 2 सेकेंड 3 सेकेंड भी, एंड खाना खा रहे हैं कि नहीं, सीढ़ियाँ ऊपर नीचे, कभी कभी they'll struggle to go for a walk क्योंकि बहुत सारी सीढ़ियाँ हैं. अच्छा उसको तो जाना ही नहीं है, वो तो आ ही नहीं रहा, चलो घसीट के people will pull. So there are so many nuances that we need to look out for. But ये सब हमारी responsibility है as pet parents.
तो dogs बहुत बार ऐसे करते हैं कि बैठ जाते हैं, उनको नहीं walk करना होता, और लोग घसीटते हैं कि चल walk तो कराने चाहिए वो. My theory is let the dog lead in most cases, unless you really think that they are being stubborn in that moment, etc. Like for example, sometimes when I am home
And, you know, we also have a helper at home. So when our Didi comes to take Poppins for a walk, she'll hide behind me and she just won't want to go. She wants me to take her. But, you know, if sometimes I'm on a call, it could be anything and I'm unable to, she'll do lots of drama to go for a walk. So then I have to really work with that drama to get her out of that door. Right? So वो सब तो होता ही है. But
फिर मस्ती से घूमेगा.
Yeah, exactly. But
घर के बाहर नहीं जाएगा जब तक मैं भी बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा.
Yeah. So वही है. But you also brought up an important point on घसीटोइंग. And I wanted to say, ये मैं इतना ज़्यादा देखती हूँ. And ये मैं बोलना चाहती थी कि हम सब डॉग्स को कॉलर पहना के रखते हैं. हर टाइम के वो पुल करे कॉलर पे, उनका ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई बंद होता है. Obviously, if I put, you know, if I do that to my throat and constrict it, my oxygen supply will also stop. और ये I don't think कि ये, I mean, ये डिवाइस बहुत सालों से चल रही है, but I don't think that dogs should be walked on a collar. क्योंकि जब वो, क्योंकि like I was saying, sniffing is such an important part of their life. हर बारी वो किसी चीज़ की स्मेल आ गई, थोड़ा सा उधर इधर गए, they are choked. Every time they pull, they are choked. And how can we do that to a family member? And इतने misunderstandings होते हैं. Imagine muscle pull हो सकता है कितनी जोर से. यहाँ पे throat में bone होती है एक, वो fracture हो सकती है. कैसे बताएंगे? फिर जब खाना खा रहे हैं, बहुत दर्द हो रही है, खाने के टाइम कोई इरिटेट कर रहा है, थोड़ा ग्राउल कर लिया, बिकॉज दे हैविंग, यू नो, सो मच पेन टू ईट, या फूड अग्रेशन हो गई कि अराउंड फूड दे गेट अग्रेसिव बिकॉज दे आर इन पेन, यू नो, वी देन यूर लाइक, ओ बैड डॉग, ट्रेनर लेके आओ, उसको ठीक कराओ. But we just imagine where it started from, where it ended, and how we have interpreted it. So there is so much misunderstanding. So I just wanted to say on this podcast कि please अपने dog को एक harness पे walk कराना versus a collar. Body harness पे. Yes.
And उनको अगर pain हो रहा होगा तो वो बताते भी नहीं है, क्योंकि
बताते भी नहीं है.
Alpha उनमें traits होते हैं.
Alpha नहीं, but just wildlife nature traits कि we can't be weak, otherwise we'll be, मतलब that's
क्यों
just.
नहीं बताते हैं pain? कैसे
See, some dogs will whine, some dogs will, मतलब आप छुओगे तो they will
extreme,
you know, तो वो, but what I'm saying is most dogs, you have to see non-vocal signs. कभी कभी तो obviously पता चलता है लंगड़ा के चल रहा है, etc., but most dogs will show that when it's extreme. And some will show by vocalization, कि, you know, they're whining or they're crying or they're yelping, you know, all of that. But I'm just saying कि ये सब चीज़ें हमें सोचनी चाहिए क्योंकि वो नहीं दिखाते.
My dog doesn't show pain. और मैं बहुत खेलते हैं, और खेलते खेलते हम टकराते जाते हैं कहीं पे भी, कभी दीवार में टकरा जाएंगे, कभी पोल में टकरा जाएंगे, like we both are very wild और बहुत, and we both then, जब बहुत बार ऐसे हम दोनों टकराए, फिर हम दोनों एक दूसरे देखते हैं, फिर वापस भाग रहे हैं. But I know कि क्या करना है.
Yeah, you can just see small signs. कभी muscular ache भी हो सकता है, कभी कुछ भी हो सकता है, you know. But then he loses himself in that, you know, fun with you, the play with you. And look, all of us do that a little bit, right? Like sometimes you're like, okay, these aches and pains are part of life, keep going. But sometimes we also push ourselves way too much. So it's the same. All the things that you're feeling, think about it for your pets.
Most homely dog for a small apartment.
Small breeds, you know, small breeds are better for small homes.
Like Shih Tzu, French Bulldogs and all of these.
They're easier because they don't need as much. They still need, I'm not saying that they don't, but as much as... एक घंटा
दौड़ना है उन्हें भी.
Yeah, दौड़ना, it's not even necessarily that दौड़ना, but at least a chance to explore, play, whatever is coming to them, whatever they need as individuals.
Yeah.
ये भी बहुत जरूरी है.
And big houses के लिए?
बिग हाउसेस के लिए भी छोटा डॉग भी चल सकता है. राइट, डिपेंड्स कि आपको, यू नो, आपको क्या, मतलब वो थोड़ा सा कि लाइक, ओके, आई वांट अ कंपेनियन ब्रीड हु इज not very high on physical activity, mental stimulation, etc. All dogs need it, but some need it more. So
give me more, जिनको ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है mental stimulation and physical stimulation.
I mean, like all your working breeds, जो work
like,
के लिए, like German Shepherds, Retrievers, you know,
Huskies.
Beagles, Huskies, all of these were working breeds. So any working dog needs it little bit more, even though they have adapted, but still, you know, they're meant to be in large open outdoor spaces. So I think looking at all those factors and knowing that I mean, I can't say that if you have a small home and you bring home a golden retriever or an Indie, they'll be unhappy. But can you give them? They may thrive. You know, if you can still understand, if you still make time, if you still figure out that, you know. So you say, okay, I like the personality, or I like, you know, whatever you may like about it. But there are always ways to make it work. But if you're committed enough.
So after Chop died, इंदौर वाले घर में, my family was anti, like against dog, and then they fall in love. हर घर की कहानी.
Yes.
अब मेरे उस घर में 6 स्ट्रीट डॉग्स होते हैं रोज रात.
Really?
डेली.
That makes me so happy.
वो रोज
Yeah.
सुबह से रात तक एटलीस्ट 2-3 तो मतलब घर में के बाहर सो ही रहे. वो so there's like you open the gate, then there's big balcony and there's ऊपर balcony.
Yeah.
तो balcony, stairs और ऊपर तक वो 3-6 डॉग्स रोज रात को वो 6 डॉग्स सोएंगे.
Yeah.
उनको उनका खाना पीना सब. And I was like, wow.
Yeah, but you know, that's so nice. And हम सब इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं, you know, कि हम थोड़ा सा ड्राइवे में, थोड़ी सी छत में, थोड़ा सा जहाँ पर भी थोड़ा सा उनको शेल्टर दे पाए, एक बोल फ्रेश पानी का तो रख लें. So I'm so happy to hear that, and thank you to you and your family for doing that. Like, it's just the kindness that we need in the world.
Thank you to Chop to teach for teaching us all of this.
अभी वो सबसे best teachers होते हैं.
I agree with that.
What is one thing that you've learned from your dogs?
Wow. You know, one thing which both my dogs taught me
Yeah.
is कि the people you love are the people you love. Like, कुछ ना
Yes.
आप गुस्सा हो जाओ, चिढ़ जाओ, दोनों एकदम गुस्सा कर लो, वो आप पे चिल्लाएगा, आप उस पे चिल्लाओ.
Yeah.
5 मिनट बाद 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगते, 30 सेकंड बाद you're back.
Absolutely.
And
yeah.
see, that's like, you just know that there's nothing, there's no ego, there's no, so that's something that I really adore.
Yes.
And second, the most important thing which helped me a lot,
Yeah.
कि मैं काम मेरा कैसा भी गया, मेरा दिन भर कैसे भी गया, अच्छा गया, गंदा गया, सैड गया, एंग्री गया,
Yeah.
मैं वो काम का मूड ना घर नहीं ला सकता.
Crypto will not allow.
Yeah. So, and that is so true in every relationship.
Yes.
कि अगर मैं घर आ रहा हूँ and my partner or my mom or my dad or my brother,
Yeah.
वो तो दिन भर वेट ही कर रहे हैं ना कि
That's
ये
true.
सुबह से रात में अब हमारे साथ 2 घंटे बैठेगा, 1 घंटे बैठेगा.
Right.
एंड मैं उसमें लेके आऊँ सड़ा हुआ मुँह कि आज तो लॉस हो गया, आज कुछ काम ही नहीं हुआ, आ जाए goofed up, this and that.
Yeah.
उनकी क्या गलती है that I'm punishing them by bringing such a bad mood?
Yeah.
Why can't I just go there? At least first 15 minutes I can be playful and nice.
Right.
And then I can share my day कि देख यार
Yeah.
आज ना दिन अच्छा नहीं, तो ज़्यादा नहीं खेलेंगे,
Yeah.
बैठे रहेंगे. But first 10 minutes at least मैं मिलूंगा तो प्यार से.
That's so
And that is one of the
lovely.
best learnings I've had from
Yeah.
it. But tell me one thing, कुछ लोग ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं कि मैं ना मेरे डॉग्स पे ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट करता हूँ ह्यूमन से भी ज़्यादा. Like, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड कैसे बन जाता है?
आई थिंक कि वो इतना लव और लॉयल्टी लेके आते हैं, इतना प्रेजेंस लेके आते हैं और कोई जजमेंट नहीं लेके आते. तो इट्स सो ईजी, लाइक दे आर ट्रूली कनेक्टेड टू द सोर्स, एंड देन दैट्स ट्रू लव. नो जजमेंट्स, नो स्ट्रिंग्स, नो कंडीशंस. यू एज यू आर, यू नो, जैसे
Truly,
भी हो.
You feel dogs बिल्कुल अनकंडीशनल होते हैं?
I feel, I mean, sure, they need khana pina, you know, but if you see them outside of that, you know, now the thing is कि हम उनको चांस तो नहीं दे रहे ना कि वो जाके हंट करके अपना खाना ला पाए. बट अगर आप एक स्ट्रीट डॉग को देखो, वो अपना खाना पीना अपने आप ही कर रहे हैं, मगर आपके साथ जो वो दोस्ती करेंगे वो तो बिल्कुल ही अनकंडीशनल है. आप उनको कुछ भी नहीं दे रहे, शायद मिल रहे हो उनसे, थोड़ा सा सोशल एनिमल्स हैं मोस्टली, तो कंपेनियनशिप मिल रही है, मगर जो प्रेजेंस वो लेके आते हैं, मतलब फुल्ली इन द मोमेंट, यू नो. और जब वो इतना ही प्योर होता है कि उनको आपसे कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. तो आई थिंक I am also that person who's animals over people.
You trust animals more than humans?
I think that they're able to immediately check out your vibe. They're immediately able to read us. And मुझे तो वो, they are the purest forms of love on earth for me. I am that person.
How sweet. Okay, we were talking about personality. आपने बोला personality पे depend करता है बहुत सारी चीज़ें, किसको कैसा dog लेना चाहिए, रखना चाहिए अपने साथ.
Right.
तो 3 पर्सनालिटीज करते हैं. एक जिसके पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है, एंड प्रॉब्ली उनकी एक वर्किंग लाइफ है
Right.
एंड उन्हें सिर्फ कंपेनियनशिप चाहिए कि वो घर जाते हैं तो दे नीड
Okay.
समबडी.
Right.
सुबह से रात तक वो काम पे ही रहते हैं.
Yeah.
10 बजे घर जाएंगे एंड देन सो जाएंगे 1-2 घंटे ही उनके पास.
Yeah.
दैट इज़ वन पर्सनैलिटी.
ठीक है.
सेकेंड पर्सनैलिटी इज लार्ज फैमिलीज जहाँ पे 8-10-12 लोग जॉइंट फैमिली में रह रहे हैं.
Right.
ओके
Right.
दैट्स सेकेंड.
Yeah.
थर्ड इज जहाँ पर स्मॉल फैमिली
Right.
पर कोई ना कोई है विद डॉग. मे बी फादर घर में, मदर घर में, किड्स घर में,
Yeah.
कोई ना कोई देयर इज समबडी. इट्स नॉट
Right.
अलोन नहीं रह रहा डॉग.
Correct.
3-4 लोग साथ में नहीं एक टाइम पे, बट
ठीक है.
एक ना
कोई
एक तो है.
Right.
ओके
Right.
सो ये 3
Yeah.
कि एक अनअवेलेबल, एक अवेलेबल एंड देन वन लार्ज.
Okay. Unavailable. Please don't bring home a pet. बस. It's not fair. Because you know what? वो हमारे लाइफ का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा है in that case. But हम उनकी पूरी लाइफ है राज. And it's not fair. Like at any level, it is just not okay that we are, you know, they are like last preference, you know. And yes, I understand ke you may be lonely, but if you have long working hours, it's just not the right thing. So I don't recommend, because it is a proper commitment and you have to really be committed. Second, large families. I think most dogs work very well in large families. There is, for me, Raj, I just find it very hard to categorize breeds so specifically, because, for example, you know, golden retrievers, very sweet, gentle, friendly dogs, doesn't mean that there won't ever be one who will bite, attack, etc., etc. So I find it very hard to categorize. But what I can say is, bringing my personal prejudice and bias into the conversation, in both the other cases, Indies are amazing. Because they are already used to being with lots of people. They know how to navigate. They're good for our climate. You know, like they're adaptable, resilient. They figure a lot of stuff out. But still, they need mental stimulation. They need exercise. They're used to that also. You know, road pe to kitna kuch ho raha hai. And in addition, I think, like, you know, perhaps like avoiding, I would say, instead of picking certain breeds, I could say avoiding the exotic breeds because of the same reasons, you know, climate, how they're bred, boredom, the destructiveness that comes by not being able to fulfill so many things. But that's just for any dog. So I find it so hard to say कि ये breed इस घर के लिए, ये breed, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. You know, just there are so many factors to consider. I mean, and I can't tell you, Raj, people bring home dogs. हम इतना abandonment देखते हैं जब वो novelty factor थोड़ा सा wear out हो जाता है कि अच्छा नहीं, ये तो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा काम है, और कहीं आप दूर उसको ले जाओ, दरवाज़ा खोलो, कहीं पे भी छोड़ दिया ताकि far away कि they can't find their way back home. You know, इतना सारा abandonment होता है. And now that dog has never learned how to be on the streets. They cannot survive, right? The dogs who live in that area, the street dogs, they will attack because वो उनके इलाके में आ रहा है, you know, या आ रही है. It's really a mess. वो कैसे, they have never learned कि हम अपना खाना कहाँ से ऑर्गेनाइज करें, कहाँ कैसे करें. सो बहुत सारी अबैंडनमेंट भी हो रही है, मतलब एट नेक्स्ट लेवल. यू नो, शेल्टर्स आर ओवरफ्लोइंग. राज, हम इतने सारे शेल्टर्स के साथ काम करते हैं, एंड द स्टोरीज वी हियर, व्हाट वी सी, हमारी हाफ्ट की फाउंडेशन भी है. यू नो, देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल रीचिंग आउट ऑफ लाइक डॉग्स. देयर आर, हमारे स्टोर्स पे लोग आके अबैंडन करते हैं डॉग्स को, स्पा के लिए लेके आएंगे, कभी वापस नहीं आए उनको उठाने के लिए. Obviously, they just gone away. I can't tell you, at least maybe 70-75 dogs have just been tied outside our store and left. People never come back.
क्यों करते हैं लोग ऐसे?
I don't
बहुत
know.
लोग करते हैं. I know कि abandonment is a big thing.
Yeah.
क्यों करते हैं?
Maybe they feel like I can't look after this dog, you know, or they, I don't know, maybe it's a financial issue, maybe it's a time commitment issue, maybe they're just too overwhelmed themselves to make the commitment. क्योंकि काम तो है, you do have to walk them, you do have to feed them, you do have to look after them, you do have to brush them and, you know, take care of them. But तो इसीलिए not every home deserves a dog. And that's the truth of it. Not everybody deserves one. They're too special. They're special beings यार. उनको मतलब उनके लिए दिल खोल के जीना बहुत ज़रूरी है. उनके लिए you have to make a full commitment. नहीं तो प्लीज़ मत लेके आओ.
That is so true. और ना लोग इतनी जल्दी abandon कर देते हैं.
Yeah. अब वो पपी आया, बहुत क्यूट लग रहा था, जैसे ही उसके टीदिंग इशू शुरू हुए उसने काटना शुरू कर दिया, बस काटता है. But that's just, can we understand that that's a development phase? उसको हम कैसे उस टाइम पे एड्रेस कर सकते हैं, हम कैसे उसको समझा सकते हैं प्यार से, बहुत बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स है.
There's a special place in hell for you. Sorry, just me being. So I find a lot of. मैं बहुत close हूँ उससे.
Yeah.
And I was the category कि please यार ये कुत्तों को दूर रखो.
Right.
And for first 6 months जब मेरे घर में first time dog आया था, मैं उससे घर में distance बना के चलता था. मुझे इतना डर लगता था and like man, great, cute, nice, मेरे से दूर रहे. Right? अगर वो बेड पे सोएगा तो मैं नीचे सोता था. Like it's that difference, right? And then it's just today I'm just in love.
Tell me the story of how did it change. I don't know.
Chop just changed me.
What did Chop do to change you? It's such a nice thing. Actually, a lot of people are in the same camp as you, so I think you should definitely share that story.
So मेरा भाई लेके आया था.
Okay.
And वही उसके साथ आता था. Me, mom, dad, हम तीनों एंटी थे कि क्यों क्या करो. एंड सब दादू दादी वो तो ऐसा था कि जैसे जॉइंट फैमिली 2 floors, नीचे सब लोग और सारे बड़े लोगों के कमरे, ऊपर बच्चों के कमरे टाइप. वो नीचे तो बोलते थे भेजना ही मत, बंद करके रखो ऊपर ही. राइट, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट. एंड ऊपर भी माय ब्रदर वुड स्लीप विथ हिम, पूरे टाइम वो रहेगा और मैंने. एंड देन मेरे भाई को यूके जाना था पढ़ने के लिए. सो जब वो यूके जा रहा था पढ़ने के लिए, एवरीबडी वाज लाइक घर में कि इसका क्या होगा, चॉप पे क्या होगा, इसको भेज दो, क्या कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगा, कौन इसको सुसु पॉटी कराएगा, कौन रखेगा, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सबका एकदम पसीने आ गए सबको. राइट. एंड मैं उसको देख के ऐसे लग रहा था कि कैसे यार हम इसको फेंक थोड़ी सकते हैं, छोड़ थोड़ी सकते हैं, अबैंडन थोड़ी कर सकते हैं. एंड देन माय मॉम्स लाइक ठीक है वील फिगर आउट समथिंग, अभी रखते हैं ऐसे, अब तो हमारे साथ आ गया, अब नहीं जाएगा कहीं पे भी. एंड मेरा भाई चले गया फ्रॉम झेलने वाले आइडिया से. I think 30 days later, ज़्यादा दिन भी नहीं हुए थे, मेरी मॉम मुझसे पहले उसको हाथ से खाना खिला रही है एंड मेरा भाई और फिर वो सोता मेरे साथ था. So because he started sleeping with me, and just bond just gotten deeper and deeper and better. मेरी रोज सुबह 9 बजे अलार्म बजता था, 8:59 पे अलार्म से पहले वो उठा देता था. Like just
they just know.
It just came so close. So उसके बाद से when I lost him, we lost him to blood cancer.
Oh no.
Okay, and very early, 3.5 years.
Oh my God.
Just left us.
Yeah.
So I got very close to this, like just my empathy towards pets.
Right. All of us can do something, ना राज.
हाँ.
हम सब कुछ तो कर सकते हैं. एक मट्टी के बोल में पानी तो हम सभी रख सकते हैं. कि चाहे वो चिड़िया हो, स्क्विरल हो, काऊ हो, डॉग्स, कैट्स को एक मतलब कि फ्रेश पानी. आप सोचो कि हम उतना भी नहीं सोचते उनके बारे में.
आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड ह्यूमंस का और डॉग्स का बॉन्ड.
ओके, ठीक
है. तो ऐसा होता है, आई हर्ड कि पेट्स ना ह्यूमंस की एंजाइटी और डिप्रेशन पहले ही डिटेक्ट कर लेते हैं देन इवन ह्यूमंस. तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? इज इट ट्रू और नो?
आई थिंक इट्स ट्रू.
ओके.
लाइक आई सेड, दे रीड अस वेरी फास्ट. वो energy, vibe, facial expressions, हर चीज़ को they're able to read. And अब तो there are many instances where they have been able to detect or smell out even things like cancer in human beings.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah, you see some research around it.
Tell me about it.
I don't know a lot, but I think that they're able to sniff the changes in your body, at a very micro level, and so they're being used, and I think that there's some more work going on around this, but there are many cases of stories around this, that how
dogs can smell cancer. No way.
Yeah. I don't have enough knowledge to be able to quote it from a scientific perspective, but I have read many stories around it, so there is.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty incredible. I mean, just
They
2
can
days
sense
ago,
it, हाँ.
just 2 days ago, there was a landslide up somewhere in, I can't remember where, but I read this article where this little puppy started howling incessantly to alert his family, you know, that something is off. He was howling. The pet parent came and, you know, he saw a huge crack in the wall and, you know, he felt like tremors and all of that. Usko leke he went, he knocked on the doors of the entire village. All of them moved away. Massive landslide. Whole place was buried, but not a single casualty because of this cute little pup. And then the poor pup also got buried, but then they were able to retrieve him and he's alive and safe. But they're able to just sense, they're so tuned in, Raj. They're
तो
tuned
कैसे
in.
प्रेडिक्ट कर लेती हैं सारी चीजें?
उनको पता है यार. I'm telling you, they're the most magical creatures on earth. They just know.
So is okay, they रात को ना बहुत रोते हैं, हाउल करते हैं. वो क्यों करते हैं ये सब? Is this a sign कि कुछ उन्होंने प्रेडिक्ट कर लिया और वो बताना चाह रहे हैं?
नहीं, sometimes it's pack behavior कि एक ने शुरू कर लिया, you know, एक one doggy started, then all of them will start talking to each other. Masti. It's not really predictions or anything, but it's pack behavior that they're all just, you know.
और घर में बैठे
See, they're barking, howling, all of that is also a way of communication for them. उनकी communication कुछ भी हो सकता है. Like we don't know enough, but have you seen 101 Dalmatians का cartoon?
नहीं.
अच्छा कभी देखना, but उसमें you know, they, of course it's a cartoon and it's a little movie, but उसमें वो एक शुरू करता है information pass करने के लिए, and then the whole city is, you know, all the dogs are barking, but really they are just barking and howling are just signs of communication for them. More verbal communication, non-verbal, बहुत beautiful उनकी communication होती है, but verbally that is their way of saying anything. Like my dogs will bark if at the door if they want to go out, मतलब वहाँ पे खड़े होके they'll bark. If they're hungry, Poppins will come and howl in the kitchen ke you're 1 minute 3 seconds late for lunch. Right? It could be anything. They can bark at each other, you know. That's just the way that they speak. And I think that we punish them way too much for communicating. It's so natural. Imagine if we got, you know, punished for speaking. It's literally their way of that's their vocal language.
My dog barks जब उसको attention नहीं मिलता.
हाँ, so he's speaking to you.
मतलब नहीं.
He's speaking to you. Raj, where are you? Come back to me.
Like
that's all.
मतलब मैं उसके पास बैठा हूँ और मैं अगर बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ तो भौंकने लग जाता हूँ. क्यों भाई, बुक में क्या ऐसा जो मुझ में नहीं है?
He wants to play. He wants, you know, something from you. So, like something from you. It could just be even a conversation. It could be food. It could be a game.
एक ट्रेंड है जो बढ़ते जा रहा है, which is having a pet at home, right?
Yes.
क्यों ये ट्रेंड हो गया है बहुत ज़्यादा, जहाँ पे लोग dogs and cats लाते जा रहे हैं, खरीदते जा रहे हैं, exotic से exotic. Is it just status?
बहुत सारों ने किया अपने बच्चों के लिए, बहुत सारों ने किया कि like, okay, I have the time, I've always wanted it. जब मैं बच्चा था, had one, then life got busy. You know, so that pause really made people bring home a pet. But now अब बहुत normal हो गया है. मतलब it really went to a peak, but now it's normalized. Where when people went back to work also, Raj, the abandonment was insane after COVID. Like people were like, now what do we do?
Oh,
you know?
हम तो boredom के लिए लिया था.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Is it status? Because I feel बहुत लोग ना status के लिए लेते हैं dogs. कि it just makes them feel good about themselves कि देखो मेरे पास भी है, और मेरा ये fancy वाला है.
Right.
और इसको मैं इस तरीके से तैयार करता हूँ, ये ग्रूम करता हूँ, and this is what that product is.
No, I mean, I'm sure, definitely there are some of those folks. I don't meet them much because I think we cater more to the pet parent. But they definitely exist. They definitely exist. They bring home, I mean, see, एक होता है pet owner. Okay? Basically, they are the ones who have low, in my definition, they are the ones who have low connection with the pet. अच्छा बाहर security के लिए ले आए, बाहर बंधा हुआ है, you know, guard के साथ. It could even be someone कि, oh, my daughter has been annoying me for so many years. Every year she says, for my birthday, I want a pet. Got the pet home, but doesn't have a direct connection. Then you have the pet lovers who love their pets, but they are casual about it. Like in the sense, ठीक है तो है, don't really care about कि वो क्या खा रहा है, कैसे रह रहा है, etc. But decent level of connection. love the Instagram photos, all that. Then you have the pet parent, who are my favorites. They truly have the deep connect, which is where that word even comes from. You're looking at the pet as a true member of your family. You care to question things. You care to read the back of a label of what you're feeding them. You care to do the research. You care to get different perspectives, to learn, okay, how can I help this family member live their best life? So, and honestly, mere liye, like the first one, you know, pet owner, which is the most common, not just as a relationship, but also as a word and an emotion. Can we own a living being, Raj? I think it's a wrong word. We can own this table and this mic and this room and this office and this light. We cannot own
a living being. Yeah.
A dog, especially.
And cat market, kaise is it growing?
Cat market is growing in late double digits in India. Matlab, much faster than dog market.
Kyun?
Actually,
I'm not a cat lover.
So I had never grown up around cats either, Raj. Magar last 3-4 years, I've had a lot of chance to spend time with them. We have one in our office. बहुत सारे team members के पास cats हैं. They bring them to office. Lots of friends have adopted. They are phenomenal. मतलब बहुत सारे myths हैं उनके around कि वो प्यार नहीं करते, बहुत selfish हैं, aloof हैं. All rubbish. Like, they are really amazing creatures. Yesterday, I went to a Bandra store. We have 4 cats who live there. I've never met them before. They don't know me. I don't know them. But we had so much fun playing. Like, I just sat down and all 4 were like, you know, coming, loving me and doing all this,
but
you know, purring.
Kya inside
I think that it's from millennial, younger, Gen Z perspective, they're easier maintenance. So you don't have to walk them. They get litter trained on themselves. You don't have to groom them. They're very clean creatures.
Litter train मतलब वो काम?
माने कि वो आप litter box रखो घर में तो they will do their business.
उनको खुद ही समझ आ जाएगा.
बिल्कुल. You train them a little bit, but it's instinctive for them.
Okay.
So you just clean the litter box. It's very easy to do that.
Okay.
तो walk नहीं करानी होती. They're very clean creatures. They're okay to be alone much more than dogs for longer days. You know, so. They're much more independent, but they are curious. They still need that connection. They're great with people, and the population is, the adoption of cats is just exploding in the country.
And उनका भी same ऐसे ही होता है, नहाना, time pass, खेलना, games,
yeah,
all
so
of this training कि नहीं?
इतना नहीं होता, इतना थोड़ा सा low touch होता है. Like they get most active at dawn. मतलब सुबह या sunset time. उस time पे they want to, you know, really have fun. Play. But a lot of the time they're happy to sit on a window, look out, you know, climb. So you obviously have to make your home a little bit cat friendly. Like you have to net the balconies, नहीं तो वो भाग जाएंगे, jump कर जाते हैं, all that. You have to make sure कि हमें खाना है, वो खाना not always will they eat at one time. धीरे धीरे छोटा. So you have to give more meals in a day. पानी आराम से नहीं पीते. मतलब इतनी जल्दी नहीं पीते पानी. So you have to make hydration rich meals. They prefer flowing water. तो अगर आप एक water fountain छोटे से आते हैं, you know, versus still water. जंगल के हैं. They don't like, you know, just still water means not very good things. They like flowing water. They like, so they're actually very fascinating creatures. And I have built up so much respect for them in the last 3-4 years that I have been interacting much more closely. Now I'm very close to bringing one home. I'm just worried how will the dogs and the cats.
Don't do that to my dogs.
No, but really in our office, we have a cat named Eddie and we have dogs. We have Pinky, Sultan, Elsie, Chelsea. But Elsie, Chelsea are not so friendly with the cat, but Pinky and Sultan play with... So the Eddie has almost become like Pinky and Sultan. Like I'll be feeding Eddie with one hand, Pinky with the other hand. Like they are so cute. Like they coexist amazingly. एक दूसरे को थप्पड़ भी मारती है, you know how they squat, like they'll do that, but it's very sweet, like they are very cool, really.
I'm sure.
You're not convinced yet, but maybe this office needs one.
नहीं मत बोलो ऐसी चीजें. मैं dog के लिए कभी convinced नहीं था, and it just job happened in life because of my brother.
चलो फिर.
And then now I can never imagine a life without a dog.
Yes, but now maybe, perhaps a cat may
And
enter.
if I feel like I'm feeling
Whenever.
more adventurous, I'll
Yeah.
have another dog,
Okay,
and then
fine.
another, and then another.
Okay, whatever works. But
Like
yeah,
that's,
they are.
that's one day when I'm like
Yeah.
ultra rich and bored and alone.
Yeah.
Like just alone meaning like just with my family.
Right.
Tab I'll have
Right.
like a massive house and I have like 20 dogs in my
Yeah.
house.
That's my dream too.
We'll have
I want
full.
to-
एक
yeah.
वो रील सेव कर रखी है मैंने जहाँ
अच्छा।
पे
किसी के
एक-
पास है?
नहीं एक बहुत फेमस रील है उसमें
हाँ,
100
गेट
से मैंने-
खुलता है और वो
और डॉग से डॉग आते आते अलग अलग बीच के that
मेरे भी रील सेव करी है वो वाली.
that's like
vision for
a
the
final
future.
dream
Yeah.
ultimate जब मेरा estate होगा तब because I need that space to run around with
Yes,
them
absolutely.
and
Yeah.
because all three dogs are like very playful and
Right. Right.
though Crypto is much smaller in size
Yeah. Yeah.
but extremely energetic and playful.
Wow.
But I need like
Mirroring. Mirroring. Just like you are. Energetic, playful, बस वही कर रहे हैं वो.
restless creatures, restless. यार, बिल्कुल थकते ही नहीं है यार just
That's your drive.
is it there some कि कोई human emotion dogs में नहीं होता?
I mean, I think कि हमारे emotions काफी complex होते हैं. You know, theirs are simpler. Like, firstly, they are not always in the future or always in the past. हम तो present में कभी होते ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
हम पहले या right? तो
We are not human beings, we are human doings or human
Yeah.
thinking.
Yeah, exactly. So I think that they are not worrying about the pain of what happened in the past because they're not in the past. जो है वो है. You know, like we will be living that out 1,000 times. I mean, I don't know for sure, but this is what I do know, that because they're so present, it's not like they're worried about the future, क्या होने वाला है, and not, you know, जो हो it is what it is. Like if they have pain, they have pain. That is it. They're not like thinking क्यों हुआ, फिर उसने किया, फिर ऐसे होगा, फिर क्या होगा.
True.
So I think.
But how do
that
they process loss? Dogs
they process
अगर-
loss. They grieve. Dogs and cats both grieve, and
जैसे
Yes.
डॉग ने अपने पेट पेरेंट अपने फैमिली मेंबर की डेथ हो गई.
yeah,
ओके
yeah,
नाउ डॉग इज अलोन.
yeah.
डॉग को समझ आता है कि डेथ हो गई उसके पार्ट.
Yes, they know all of this stuff. They,
कैसे समझ आता है उसको? क्या प्रोसेस होता है कि ओके माय पर्सन इज डेड नाउ?
I mean, I don't know, but they just know because they've seen. I mean, death is such a universal thing, and it's such a, like, every living being goes through it, and there is sadness, and you'll see that they may not eat, they'll be really a little bit low, they'll be literally sad. You know, they may stay with the belongings of that person, मतलब उनके जहाँ पे वो बैठते थे या उनका कुछ कपड़ा, you know, लेके उसके पास बैठे हुए हैं. So they definitely grieve, and I guess, but वही है ना, that
कैन दे बी हैप्पी अगेन?
they can be happy again, which is just amazing. क्योंकि हाँ, चाहे हम जितनी बार उनका ट्रस्ट, मतलब हम तो कितनी गलतियाँ करते हैं, फिर भी वो, you know, माफ़ कर देते हैं. इतने सारे स्टोरीज हैं ऑफ सेकंड चांसेस, थर्ड चांसेस, where they have openly, willingly opened their heart and invited us in again.
You know, I've heard and there are studies around it as well.
Yeah.
कि ब्रेकअप से रिकवर करना बहुत इजी हो जाता है when you have a pet with you. How true is that?
I think कोई भी हार्ट ब्रेक से रिकवर करना is easier when you have a pet with you.
क्यों? क्या होता है ऐसे बॉडी में?
Because
क्यों?
I think that they fill up so many spaces and gaps that we don't even know we have in our life. You know, they like जो वो उस मोमेंट में लेके आते हैं. जब आप क्रिप्टो के साथ होते हो तो आपको पता है मैं किस मोमेंट की बात कर रही हूँ, बट you don't feel that emptiness as much. No? They bring so much.
Yeah.
So with them in our life, it's just very full.
You know, जब मैं क्रिप्टो लेके आया था, and then I was reading, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूरो साइंस पढ़ता हूँ, मुझे मज़ा आता है पढ़ने में.
Yeah.
कि ब्रेन रिवायर कैसे होता है. राइट, देयर इज, क्योंकि इतनी सारी स्टडीज़ हैं कि अगर आपके पास डॉग है तो आपको आप ज़्यादा रेजिलिएंट होते हो, आप स्ट्रॉन्गर होते हो, आपकी कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज़ बेटर होती है, आप एज बेटर कर जाते हो,
Yes.
चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है,
Yes.
सोशल सेटिंग में चाइल्ड का बिहेवियर बेटर हो जाता है, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ जाता है, राइट? तो
Wow.
मैं आई एम लाइक क्या होता है ऐसा ब्रेन
Yeah.
में? एंड देन जो एकदम प्राइमल केमिकल्स होते हैं ना,
Yeah.
सो व्हेन यू हैव अ डॉग, आपकी बॉडी में बहुत ऑक्सीटोसिन रिलीज होता है,
Yeah.
क्योंकि आप
Yeah.
उसको हक करते हो, टच
Yeah.
करते हो, तो विच इज़
Yeah.
ऑलमोस्ट लाइक यू टचिंग अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग.
Right.
तो वो टच से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्ट एंड हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, राइट? सो दैट्स फन. देन डोपामीन, जब भी वो आप पे एकदम कूद के आता है, चढ़ के आता है, मस्ती करता है, देन दैट वो डोपामीन रिलीज होता है.
Absolutely.
देन देयर आर एंडोर्फिन्स व्हिच मेक यू हैप्पी अबाउट
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग. देन देयर सेरोटोनिन की जब आप बैठे रहते हो सिर्फ काम, तो
Yeah.
जितने एक आपको आपके एक लव्ड वन से, पार्टनर से, एक ह्यूमन बीइंग से जितने ज़्यादा इमोशंस और केमिकल्स रिलीज मिलते हैं, वो सब डॉग से मिलते हैं.
Yes.
In fact, you get one level extra
Yeah. I believe
because
that.
there are no permanent moods.
Hmm.
So उसकी वजह से आपकी perpetual state में सारे happy चीजें high होती है than low
Yes.
states.
Yes, 100%.
And it rewires every day क्योंकि ये होता है.
Yeah.
तो आपका brain सीख जाता है कि oh,
Yeah.
this is something new which
Yeah.
I need to learn and this is my happy mode. And then because
Yeah.
of that your brain gets rewired to just make you smarter
Yeah.
and better.
Yeah. No, I'm telling you, they make us better human beings. At all levels, they make us better human beings. You can justify it from a spiritual perspective, a neuroscience perspective, or, any perspective. They just make us better.
Happier.
Better.
One behavior that you notice and you're like, everybody should know. जैसे I'll give you one example.
Yeah.
First time मेरे लिए था zoomies.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was new for me.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरे दोनों पुराने पहले वाले dogs,
Right.
उनको कोई zoomies नहीं आते थे.
Right.
Rottweiler and my
Yeah.
Pitbull, both
Yeah.
of them, no.
Right.
And
Yeah.
then there's this guy.
Yeah. Who's perpetually in
Zoom,
zoomy
zoom,
mode.
zoom, zoom, पूरे घर में भागते. मैं बोला क्या हो गया इसमें? And हम
Yeah.
लोग घर में जोक कर रहे हैं, कौन सी आत्मा आ गई? Like what is going on?
Yeah, no, definitely. But zoomies, I was reading that zoomies are now seen, first they were seen, mostly they're understood as a sign of like overexcitement, overstimulation, happiness, etc. But I was reading a recent article where zoomies are not necessarily being seen in the most positive light. Like it's explaining that the dog is maybe overstimulated, needs to come to be able to regulate themselves. जैसे कि हम भी, no extreme behavior is or emotion is good, or our ability to kind of stay with it is लिमिटेड. तो अगर हम अपने डॉग्स को भी सेल्फ रेगुलेशन समझा सकें कि एक्स्ट्रा जॉय, स्ट्रेस, उस सब को मैनेज करके हाउ डू यू कम टू अ स्टेट ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम एंड बैलेंस, दैट इज द डॉग दैट इज काम, दैट इज एबल टू नेविगेट मुश्किल सिचुएशंस देमसेल्व्स, कि इस सिचुएशन में मेरे को क्या करना चाहिए. आई एम सराउंडेड बाय 3 स्ट्रीट डॉग्स, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. They are able to think, because when can you and me also think our best? It is when we are able to self-regulate. If we are super excited, super anxious, super emotional, हम नहीं सोच सकते. And and teaching our dogs to think, allowing them to think, also allowing them to have choices, Raj. आप और मैं किसी से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, मगर हम उनको एक भी चॉइस अपने दिन की लेने नहीं देते. कि कितने बजे वो बाहर जाके अपने बॉडी फंक्शंस कर सकते हैं, कितनी देर उनको होल्ड करना पड़ेगा, खाने में क्या खाएंगे, किस टाइम पे हम खेलेंगे, किस टाइम पे हम सोएंगे, किस टाइम पे हम कुछ भी करेंगे. एवरीथिंग वी डिसाइड, where and how can a relationship or a living being thrive when they have zero choices? Everything we decide and we impose. ये खाना खाओगे, इस टाइम पे खाओगे, this is the time you'll go for a walk, this is who you will meet, this is how long your walk is going to be, this is where you will walk, this is what time you will sleep, this is how long you will sleep for before I'm bored and want to wake you up. And I think that again, I know it's not conventional, and I may be challenged that like maybe I'm speaking too much for their side, but it's true. Like, can we find that balance of giving them choices and saying, okay, what do you need in this moment?
Do you feel then कि pet owners, pet parents सबसे बड़ी जो गलती कर रहे हैं वो यही कर रहे हैं अपने dogs के साथ कि उन्हें choices नहीं दे रहे?
It's definitely one of them. I think
सबसे ज़्यादा क्या गलत कर?
I think हम उनके mental health के बारे में नहीं सोचते. हम
Explain.
मोस्टली फिजिकल हेल्थ को देख लेते हैं, वो ही विजिबल है, अच्छा पतला है, मोटा हो गया, ठीक से नहीं चल रहा, कोट में स्किन इश्यूज हो रहे हैं. बट व्हाट अबाउट द इमोशनल स्टेट ऑफ द डॉग? डू दे हैव मेंटल स्टिम्युलेशन? क्या आप उसको जेन्युइनली नरिश कर रहे हो? सही खाना उसके लिए जो सही है वो दे रहे हो? नॉट के this is dog food or this is what my vet said, but like truly in that moment what does your dog need mentally? उसको आप enough chances दे रहे हो to use their mind, to explore the world, to be curious, or are they just shut in that one little box and doing exactly what you want them to do? Overtraining, I mean today when I see, मतलब मैं किसी के घर गई थी and he was so proud कि look my dog can do so many tricks. Bosco, sit, okay, sit, stand, run, fetch, blah blah blah. It was non-stop like that. But if he was even slow by a few seconds in doing something, Bosco, now he was so proud of that relationship, but मुझे बुरा लगा उसको देख के.
कितना क्या ऐसे टॉर्चर करके जिंदगी जा रही.
It's not a relationship of love or respect. It's a relationship of fear and intimidation. वो क्या relationship है? These are like the most beautiful creatures जो इतना प्यार, इतना friendship, इतना companionship, इतना joy, इतना loyalty लेके आते हैं. Why have a relationship of fear and intimidation with them when we can do differently? How can we do differently if we know better? Because we are all operating from the place that we know best. I have made 100 mistakes, but the more we know, the better we can do, and
you
the
said
better
mental
we can
state नहीं समझ पाते हम.
Yeah.
Do you feel बहुत dogs anxious हो जाते हैं just because आप उनको अकेला छोड़ दो बहुत time?
Yes, of course. They are social beings. They're like, why am I here locked up in this room? कब आएगा? कब आएगा? कब आएगा? कब आएगा? It is scary. It is very anxious for them, especially if they've never been used to it. COVID के time इतना separation anxiety का ये problem हुआ था, where we spent 24 hours with them, then we went back to our lives, and वो बेचारे घर पे रह गए. They go crazy, they are anxious, they're worried, they're stressed, they're bored, they get destructive, they get even more fearful. It's like a cycle. तो अगर जो भी problem है, first of all I just feel कि instead of labeling dogs कि वो naughty है, वो bad dog है, वो ऐसा है, just can we understand them कि एक reason है, just like with our children, or हम or each other. Okay, it always comes from a place of not feeling safe.
Yeah,
that's it.
तो कितना टाइम अकेला छोड़ सकते हैं डॉग को?
No generic answer. You have to see for yourself. And if you अगर आप उस problem में हो जो आपको छोड़ना है अकेले, start with micro doses. कि आप 2 मिनट उसको अकेले छोड़े, फिर आप वापस आ गए, so that he knows you've come back. फिर आपने उसको 5 मिनट 10 मिनट धीरे धीरे करके, okay, 1 hour I have gone out, but you have to do it slowly to build trust and let them feel safe. With anything, with humans and dogs, if you go slow, you do it well. Instead of being like, today I'm not coming home for 8 hours. उसको भौंकने दो ना, सीख जाएगा. But what you have done to his mental state by making him bark and be so anxious, it's not even recoverable. And you do it day after day after day. You think कि वो सीख जाएगा. Yes, he's exhausted of barking. So you've solved for his physical state. अब वो चुप करके बैठा हुआ है. But did you solve for his emotional and his mental state?
Do you think, is there any breed जो बहुत लंबे समय तक अकेले रह सकती है?
नहीं. Cats can stay alone much more than dogs, but dogs really struggle unless they're very very used to it. Like in the West,
क्योंकि यूएस के यूरोप में लोग छोड़ के चले जाते हैं पूरे दिन और फिर रात को आते हैं. The dogs are amazing, loving. So
they are used to it, but बाहर से don't judge, Raj. You don't know if they are genuinely amazing or are they
I mean, they
suffering.
look like कि सुबह जब वो पार्क में होते हैं, सेंट्रल पार्क में न्यूयॉर्क में खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है. And then I see वो सुबह अपने डॉग से 6-7 बजे खेलने के बाद उनको छोड़ के चले जाते हैं काम पे. And फिर रात को 7-8 बजे आएंगे, 12 घंटे.
But they have walkers who come and take them out for a walk.
कोई नहीं होता 10-10 घंटे तक. I know people.
Yeah. But see, if we were to ask the dog how they feel, वो ही है ना, हमें पता नहीं है.
So you said कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम गलत कर रहे हैं and उसमें हमने 4-5 वर्ड्स लिए. ओके, फूड के बारे में बात बोली, एंड देन यू सेड हम बहुत सारे ढंग से ट्रीट नहीं करते. सो आई वांट टू गो वन बाय वन जो बेसिक चीजें जो लोग करवाते हैं.
Okay.
लेट्स से स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम शावर, राइट?
Yeah.
कितनी बार नहलाना चाहिए पेट्स को?
Good point. I think 2 से 3 हफ्तों में एक बार ही.
2 से 3 हफ्तों में एक बार.
Yes.
एंड देन जो स्मेल आती है उसका क्या करोगे?
So no more than twice a month because उनका स्किन बहुत ड्राई हो जाता है. They're not meant to bathe so often.
मैं तो वीकली
But
नहाता है.
You can use wet wipes, towel से साफ कर दिया, अच्छे से ब्रश कर दिया, all of that. But see, honestly, it's what works for you. अगर वो आपके बेड में है, सो रहा है उधर, you want to make sure he's clean.
Yeah.
It's okay. Just make sure it's a pet safe shampoo. Make sure he's like it's a nourishing shampoo. उसका कोट ज़्यादा dry नहीं हो, etc. But ideal recommendation is about once in 2 to 3 weeks.
एंड पेट स्पा कितनी बार कराना चाहिए?
वही once in 2 to 3 weeks. Because
अच्छा,
what we do is
नहलाने
exactly
की
that.
जगह बस पेट स्पा ही कराओ हर 15 दिन में.
मतलब हम when we say pet spa, it is about like nicely cleaning them, like deep cleaning, so it's pretty much
Covered.
that also, but yeah, with a little bit more.
एंड देन डॉग हेयर जो होते हैं वो शेड करते हैं,
Yes,
राइट? इज इट कि डॉग्स को प्रॉब्लम है और इट्स वेरी नेचुरल?
it is definitely very natural, but if there is excessive shedding, it could be because of an underlying issue. जैसे हमारा we all have, I mean, हमारे थोड़े से बाल होते हैं फिर भी गिरते रहते हैं, उनका तो बहुत सारे हैं, स्पेशली वेदर में. तो लाइक जब विंटर से समर होता है तो बहुत शेडिंग होती है बिकॉज दे हैव टू मेक दैट कोट्स लाइटर. जैसे कि स्पेशली डॉग्स जिनके डबल कोट होते हैं, जैसे कि रिट्रीवर्स एंड शेपर्ड्स एंड ऑल, तो उनका पूरा डबल कोट थोड़ा सा गिर जाता है टू मेक स्पेस फॉर मोर वेंटिलेशन एंड ऑल. सो इट्स pretty cool.
Got it.
Yes.
And then you said food.
Yes.
रोज एक खाना नहीं खिलाना चाहिए. My doctor said,
Yeah.
which is, I don't want to name it,
Okay.
but okay, one of the top doctors
Okay.
in
Yeah.
Bombay.
Right.
उन्होंने तो मुझे बोला है कि इसी पे रखो, एक ही खाना बोला, एक ही ब्रांड बोली और
Yeah.
उसी पे. And Crypto has been on that food for 3 years.
Yeah.
Just one food. सुबह से
Okay.
रात तक वही खिलाते रहते हैं. वो खाता है, कभी कभार नहीं खाता है तो I mix
Yeah.
like little bit of dahi or something.
Right.
Or those gravies that we get on after.
Yeah. So what if you had to eat one food out of a packet for your whole life?
I have the same logic.
Just from a nutrition perspective, from what I know, is that if we rotate food, अलग अलग खाना उनको खिलाए, अलग अलग चाहे प्रोटीन हो, अलग अलग वेजीज हो, थोड़े से फ्रूट्स भी सेफ होते हैं पेट्स के लिए, पपीता, एप्पल एक्सेट्रा, डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट दे आल्सो लाइक. जो विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, सब चीज़, एवरी इंग्रेडिएंट गिव्स अस अ डिफरेंट बेनिफिट. एंड अगर हम उनको वैरायटी उनकी प्लेट में दें तो दे आर डेफिनेटली मच मोर nourished from a wholesome perspective. I तो even add super herbs in my dog's food. कभी जीरा डाल दिया, कभी अजवाइन डाल दी, कभी धनिया डाल दिया, कभी मोरिंगा पाउडर डाल दिया, कभी अश्वगंधा, everything. Turmeric, ginger, just like it is good for us, it is very, very good for them. And it builds immunity. So obviously your body also learns to accept lot of new food. You're being nourished by different fruits, veggies, protein sources. You have less food intolerance. अगर आप एक ही खाना खा रहे हो, if you introduce another food, you'll see that your body, your digestive system will go for a toss because it's never been used to it, right? So I do feel that food rotation and variety on a plate is very overlooked, Raj, and it's extremely important.
तो क्या क्या खिलाना चाहिए?
आप उनको, you can feed them all kinds of meat, you know, whatever
But mine is
vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Okay, eggitarian. So eggs, I give my dogs tofu, paneer, beans, carrots, pumpkin बहुत अच्छा होता है उनके लिए, लौकी, I give
सब
them.
घर के बना हुआ?
You can, so we make some really good food that we sell, so I feed them that as well. Other than that, it's called Sarah's Wholesome Food, so named after Sarah. And then sometimes I make a hot pot, like एक मील प्रेशर कुकर में बहुत सारी चीज़ें डाल के दे दी, कभी कभी अलग अलग, like I was telling you, ताकि I know what they like. Dahi is good for them, you know, कभी buttermilk, छाछ
तो बहुत पीते हैं.
Yeah, so in the summer especially, fruits में पपीता, small doses. even a small piece of a mango, watermelon. I mean, depends on the dog. You know, one of mine will eat anything that I put into her mouth. The other will take her time, sniff. Maybe it's a yes, maybe it's a no. So it depends on what they need and want. But I believe variety is very overlooked and it's extremely.
तो रोज अलग खाना खिलाना चाहिए.
कभी जितना कर सकते हो. Like, I don't want to put pressure, like to say, yes, every meal should be different every day. Doesn't
Can you
have
give
to
human
be.
food?
You can give
जैसे मैं
human
अगर
food.
भिंडी रोटी खा रहा हूँ दे दिया उसको.
Preferably not. The masalas, the salt, the onions, all that is not.
What is no?
Chocolates, alcohol, raisins,
ये तो
मतलब
ऑब्वियसली कोई नहीं
किशमिश.
देगा यार. मतलब
नहीं
चॉकलेट और अल्कोहल कौन देगा?
चॉकलेट खा बहुत बच्चे देते हैं चॉकलेट्स.
बच्चे दे देंगे, but
Yeah,
no
but
pet
you don't
parent
know.
adult would be like यार डेयरी मिल्क खा. Like I don't think it.
You will be surprised. You will be surprised.
I mean, ice cream I've heard कि लोग
Yeah,
अपने
yeah.
dogs को
So
pamper करते हैं
anything-
once in a
yeah,
while.
yeah.
But chocolate.
Anything high sugar, anything which is you know, they say onions are not good for dogs. All of these things, most things they can have, but it's about how it's processed. अब वो you know, masale bhara hua, tel bhara hua, all that, it's not really how a pet's digestive system will
So if
absorb it.
so let's say I eat a vegetable
Yeah,
every day with rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah,
तो अगर मैं उसमें से मसाला नहीं डालूँ, सिर्फ बॉईल करके जैसे
Yeah.
वेजिटेबल ग्रेवी होती है,
right, right.
वो
हाँ,
राइस
वो
के साथ दे
आप
दूँ?
उसको दे सकते हो राइस के साथ. You can add some. See, it's not a necessarily a wholesome, balanced meal for him because he needs more protein and he needs, you know, and he needs less carbs, more protein. तो आप थोड़ा सा alter कर सकते हो, you know, कि like how
More
do I make
paneer,
it? Yeah, हाँ,
more
how do
eggs
yes, how
than
do I
rice.
yes. So carbs can be a little bit lower and fiber through vegetables and protein should be there, you know, in that moderate amount. तो थोड़ा सा there is a lot that we can do, or else you buy Sarah's Wholesome Food from Heads Up Days. It's amazing. थोड़ा सा तो pitch करने दो. It's genuinely amazing. No preservatives. I mean, something that is truly meant for your dog's
तो क्या है
digestive system.
wholesome food? What is it?
It's the best food we could have made.
Huh,
Truly.
but like what is it? Like
So
it's like a
basically,
packaged
it's
food
like a
which
packet food.
open किया और डाल दिया, then that's a
Yes.
food?
Yes. So it's not the
It's not like
traditional
beans
kibble.
जो दूसरे को आते हैं.
Yeah, it's not dry kibble. It's like fresh home cooked food. It's like that, but we do a retort packaging, which is the kind of sealing that they do for the armies, for the astronauts, ताकि वो preservatives के बिना उस shelf life उसकी 9-10 महीने की है.
Okay, and then
So
वो
it's
लेके
good.
आओ फिर घर में उसको गरम कर
कुछ
दो.
नहीं, खोलो, serve करो.
ठंडा ही.
Done. Your dogs will lick up the bowl. If your dog is used to slightly warmer food, थोड़ा सा गरम कर दो, you know, on the gas, microwave. But
But
it's
warm
like
food
home
देना चाहिए,
food.
normal food देना चाहिए.
See, in the winter, I think it thoda sa warm is nice. Just like we get comfort from it. For senior dogs, thoda sa warm is nice. Senior dogs also, Raj, very overlooked. Ke, like we grow older, they also grow older and they need different things. तो ये भी तो senior dogs के लिए, you know, थोड़ा सा warm food is something
different.
that, yeah.
What are the supplements जो food से उनको particular vitamins या minerals नहीं मिलेंगे और उन्हें supplements लेना चाहिए?
Depends on what you're feeding. बहुत सारे foods हैं जो बिल्कुल ही complete हैं, you don't need to.
Okay.
But other than that, अगर आप, you know, you can give many supplements which are specifically for जैसे कि, you know, skin and coat, अगर जैसे कि dry लग रहा है, bone and joint health, they're growing older, or they have, you know, hip dysplasia, ऐसी चीज़ें हो, या pain है, something for that. Some supplements can be for immunity building, कि सारा time उसको infections होती रहती हैं, digestive issues होते रहते हैं, so digestion supplements. So there's such a, just like us, yeah,
Humans.
एक,
Proper
there is
babies
no-
ही हैं ये.
there is no one size that fits all, and there should not be a blanket के ये करो, you know, अपने dog की need को देख के उनको
करना
क्या चाहिए.
There are two concepts जो मुझे बहुत interesting लगे, which I came across during the research of this podcast.
Okay,
एक था pet insurance.
okay,
मुझे नहीं पता था pet insurance
Yes.
exist करता है.
yes.
क्या होता है pet
Yeah.
insurance का concept?
So it's very new in India, to be honest. अभी penetration बहुत ही कम है, but basically the insurance companies realize that, you know, vet bills can go up and it is something that can hit you pretty hard, and you know that they're just using it as a new offering. There are some offerings in the market where basically you sign up and you know, it covers a certain amount of things, say vaccinations every year, etc. So Yeah, it's very new.
Just like humans, you can
Yes.
get insured.
Yeah.
कि बाद में कोई बड़ी बीमारी हुई तो
Correct.
the insurance company
Right.
will take care of it.
Yes, yes.
And
Yeah.
what is pet proofing? घर को pet proof करते हैं.
Yeah. Pet proofing is basically making your home ready for a pet. माने कि
मेरा घर क्यों रेडी नहीं है?
मैं बताती हूँ. Most homes, many homes in India have very mostly marble flooring और मतलब ये नहीं है कि बहुत grip वाली flooring है हमारे घरों में, you know, cool stone flooring है ताकि summers में ठंडा रहे,
finish,
you know,
yeah.
smooth finish. हमारे डॉग सारा टाइम उसमें स्लिप करते रहते हैं. और अगर आप डॉग की अनाटमी देखोगे, उनके पैर ऐसे हैं जैसे कि उन्होंने हील्स पहनी हुई है. Like literally, it's like that.
तीन
Yeah.
बाहर
Yeah, you actually have to see the bone. It's like they're wearing heels. And imagine कि आप अपने ही घर में, imagine कि आप अपने ही घर में जैसे कि ice skating rink पे सारा time slip कर रहे हो, how uncomfortable you'll be. The dogs come running and they're skidding and we are all laughing. It's so cute. But what is happening to their muscular system is terrible. They're developing so many joint issues, so much muscular aches and pains which we will never know about. So for example, getting your floor, if you have flooring like that, throwing rugs and carpets all over is a form of pet proofing. If you have a cat, making sure your balcony is netted is a form of pet proofing. It's a challenge. And things like acha wo khel rahe hain, very sharp corners, you know, can we put those corner protection things so that they don't come hitting into it. So yeah, do they have space to walk around, roam around without breaking 10 things? It's just about cleaning up your spaces, thinking from the pet's perspective कि अच्छा he'll wag his tail and your thing goes flying इधर उधर. So it's just about, yeah, that's what pet proofing is.
But now what Ambanis have done with Jio Mall,
yes,
I think it's a great start.
Phenomenal.
कि dogs are allowed,
Yeah.
pets are allowed
बिल्कुल
in the
and
mall.
फिर भी उनको भी देख के कोई और pet friendly malls आए ही नहीं है. Like I don't know of any
But
more.
it's a good start. एक
It's a
जगह
great
हुआ है, अभी
start.
होगा धीरे-धीरे.
Yes. Yes, it's a great start.
People are waiting.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
one of the biggest
Yeah.
problems is लोगों को
Yeah.
लगता है बदबू आएगी बहुत. Because they'll pee everywhere.
Right. Yeah.
Jio में नहीं आती.
Yeah, बिल्कुल नहीं आती.
हाँ, so
It feels as premium as possible. So there are always ways to make it work. वही है, intention and little bit of thought and design.
It'll work.
And it'll work. Yes.
okay, I have 2 last questions.
Go for it.
One is dog को neuter कराना चाहिए.
Oh gosh, very controversial, you know. From a science perspective, ethics perspective.
Ethics no. मैं बहुत बुरा लगा मैंने जब कराया.
Yeah. I think from a science perspective, I mean, look, what are the pros and cons? The pros are you don't have unwanted litters in female dogs. You have they say there are a lot of health benefits. There's a big convenience factor, you know, all of that. Ki acha, you don't have messy heat cycles, etc. For male dogs also, they say prostate cancer and all those things go down. They become less aggressive. That's what is available as research on the
डॉक्टर ने
internet.
मुझे ये
you
बोला
know?
कि वो लेस एग्रेसिव
Yeah.
होगा और कैंसर की चांसेस खत्म हो
Right.
जाएंगे. And the moment I heard cancer
Yeah.
because of my last
Yes.
dog's trauma, I'm like,
Yes. Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. But the truth is that it is a major hormonal surgery in the sense you're fully interfering with the hormonal system. अब side effects तो हैं ही.
क्या
You know?
side effect है?
Like for example, for female dogs, उनको incontinence हो जाता है, which means that they can't control their bladder. So, you know, they're just unable to control it. Then there's weight gain. Then there are skin and coat. You'll definitely see changes. There are many side effects. Every vet has a different perspective, but I think that you need to take a vet that you really trust, their perspective, and also see your dog for the individual that they are. Do they need it? Do they not? You know, I know a lot of people who have, and it's great. I know a lot of people who haven't. Works out.
I don't know.
So-
I didn't see any change in my dog.
That's great. You know,
साल
but
भर हो
again,
गया, but मैंने कभी change नहीं देखा.
yeah, but वो ये ना, like हम बाहर के ही changes देख सकते हैं, अंदर के
अंदर के
you know,
नहीं।
what are the
But
you know,
ना
are there any-
energy levels
Yeah.
नहीं हुए, उसका
Okay.
mood levels नहीं हुए, sad,
Yeah.
happiness
Yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, anger,
great.
aggression,
Yeah.
irritation कुछ नहीं बदला.
That's fantastic.
Like
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
was told
Right.
कि वो थोड़ा low energy हो जाएगा,
Okay.
aggressive कम होगा,
Right.
और
Yeah.
मतलब
Yeah.
you'll just see a lot of changes, maybe थोड़ा lazy हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
Are you okay with that?
Right.
Right? Because
Right.
and I was like,
Yeah.
यार lazy होगा और cancer नहीं होगा
Yes.
तो it's like a
Yes.
big uptake.
Yeah.
But कुछ change
Yeah.
नहीं हुआ.
Hmm. Yeah, but you know, neutering does not mean no cancer. Could be cancers of other kinds. You know, it's not like it's completely taken away cancer. So there are many pros and cons. A lot of the more holistic vets of the world are talking about the fact that, listen, make your choices knowing that it is massively interfering with the hormone system. It is not a small thing, but yes, it has benefits. So if the benefits outweigh the negatives for your pet, do it. If they don't,
Okay, so I heard and I've seen
yeah,
Heads Up for Tails में ना बहुत सारे cool products होते हैं.
right.
Tell me 3 coolest products that you have.
ऐसी बड़ी मुश्किल क्वेश्चन है. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स
हाँ,
बहुत
of
cool है.
course. मैं तो कुछ भी खरीद लेता हूँ, तो मेरे लिए तो वैसे ही बहुत cool.
So I think one cool product that we have is, I mean, different from, you know, the market. Everything that we do is thoughtful from a pet's perspective, also pet parents' perspective. But एक है हमारे पास pee lock powder.
Okay.
So when the dogs pee or when they vomit, it's very difficult to clean. You know,
हाँ.
newspaper, all
बदबू
dripping,
भी आती है.
पानी, like pocha and all. So you sprinkle literally a little bit of this powder, Raj, and it converts the liquid into gel, and you just jhadu it away, like literally brush it away. It's pretty cool. So that's one. Then I think
And smell?
No smell. No smell takes away all of it. It's pretty cool, like really, because
Okay.
you know you
So
can
it
clean
works.
up quickly. Yeah. You can see it live in action.
ठीक है,
Like
I'll
it's
try.
very cool. I got some for you. You can try
अच्छा,
it.
ठीक
ठीक
है,
है?
done.
Then really, I think Sarah's Wholesome Food is really cool because it's like fresh ghar ka khana with no preservatives and shelf life of 10 months. Like it's very cool, you know, like looks like that, it's made like that, and but it's balanced and it's species appropriate and no preservatives. And बहुत सा हमने जब शुरू किया तो हर चीज में पेट्स के लिए जो बनता है, it's like जो लास्ट बच्चा कुचा होता है, there's no regulations, there's no laws, so like it's really like what I found was just horrifying. So we have really wanted to create clean products.
Okay.
Nothing has bad stuff in it. So anyway, Sarah's
That's
Wholesome
second.
is that.
I'm
The
trying
third
that,
is-
Sarah. Like, do you have subscription for that?
Yes, we're coming out with it soon.
Oh, हाँ. तो अगर
Third
आपको खाने लगा तो मैं subscription start करूँगा
ठीक है.
if it works.
ठीक है.
I'll give him. I'll
Okay.
buy and then I'll give him.
We did biryani also for dogs.
Oh, sweet. I'll buy and I'll do it. And because
Okay. But we've also introduced fun things like chai time biscuits, sleep time biscuit. Matlab, you know, really thinking about the pet parent's journey. And there are so many more, like just so many more. We have a wedding collection. We have a Diwali box where we do Diwali laddus and all. We have heaps of stuff so that they can be part of every occasion.
nice.
Yeah.
How sweet. Tell me one product which is my personal question. Ki if I want to keep my dog busy with something, what do I give him?
Toys or a bone to chew
Food.
on? Oh, food.
It's like food, bone,
Right.
like something
Right.
because वो गल्प करता है.
Acha.
Again, that also is
Right.
mirrored by me
Right.
because I eat my meals in a minute.
So, you know,
Like
have
I
you
finish a
seen-
chapati in 4 bites.
Oh, God.
Right. So he just mirrors me. We are very fast eaters.
Okay, so there are some interactive toys, Raj, जैसे कि जिसमें ना हो like there'll be some part of it in which you can put things like peanut butter. Yeah, I create like a nice mix of something and I like make it into a puree and then I freeze it. Then I can give it to my dog and she'll spend a lot of time licking and trying to, you know, eat it, play with it. So that also keeps her busy. You can create, I mean, on the internet, there are hundreds of ideas. Ke food ke through also mentally how you can keep them busy. And another thing is, you know, for example, because we're talking about these games also, every time I get a parcel in my house from Amazon or any box that comes, I use the box as a game. Even if it's a 1 or 2 minute game, सामान उठाया, हमेशा packing material होता है, उसके बीच में treats डाली, you know, and I give it to Poppins to play. She loves it. So she'll again take the time to smell, sniff. Sometimes I'll even package the box, like sellotape it, so she has to tear it apart. All these things keep her busy, even if it's 3 minutes, 5 minutes, but they love doing all this. Sometimes you roll it up in a towel, first very easy levels, then make it more and more complex. Give it to crypto. Okay, now have fun with it, find it. But it shouldn't be at a point when they are hungry. जब भूख लगी होती है और कोई आपके साथ गेम्स खेल रहा है ना खाने के साथ, तो बहुत इरिटेशन होती है. Like when it's between meal times, treat time, play time, तब आप मजे कर सकते हो इतने सारे ways के साथ.
I'll try to do that now.
Okay, have fun.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing so many things. And our friend will talk.
Yeah.
Crypto where there's only like 2 people, me and Maharaj ji, तो उसको हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छा है.
Yes.
With my friends जो कमाते, like they are all, but with others he get excited, he jumps. So he doesn't know कि अच्छा दूसरों पे जंप नहीं करना होता है. मेरे को सब पे जंप करना था. मेरे लिए मेरे डॉग को कुछ समझ नहीं आता. उसे सिर्फ समझ आता है कि मस्ती करनी है. That's it. मैं सैड मूड में हूँ तो उसे मस्ती करनी है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ तो उसे मस्ती करनी है, मैं एंग्री हूँ, डिप्रेस्ड हूँ, इग्नोर, मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. कीप योर मूड आउटसाइड दिस हाउस ब्रो. थैंक यू सो मच ये एपिसोड एंड तक देखने के लिए. अब आपको 3 चीज़ें करनी है. सबसे पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि जितना आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे उतने ही बेहतर और वैल्यूएबल गेस्ट हम ला पाएंगे आपके लिए. नंबर 2, मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ इस एपिसोड में आपको क्या अच्छा लगा और क्या गंदा लगा, ताकि हम वो मिस्टेक्स रिपीट ना कर पाए. एंड कौन से ऐसे गेस्ट हैं जो आप देखना चाहते हो वापस हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे, ताकि हम उन्हें लेके आएँ और आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वैल्यू दे पाएँ. एंड नंबर 3, ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना, क्योंकि one conversation can change someone's life. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep figuring out.